Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful tools in Photoshop called the mask. If you want a clean edit without destroying your image, this video is for you. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, what is a mask? In Photoshop, a mask allows you to hide or reveal parts of your layer without deleting anything. This means that your edit is safe, flexible, and reversible. Now let's look at situations where we can use the mask in Photoshop. Alright, we can use the mask to blend layers. So for example, I have these two layers here. I'm going to apply a mask on this layer, and to do that I select the layer, then I come to this side, so this is where I can locate the mask. Then I click on the mask, and once I do that, I can see the mask is closer to the layer I selected. Let me get rid of this mask, let me delete it. Alright, I can see the mask is just closer to the image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the mask to blend these two images together. So to blend, let me quickly change the blend mode to multiply. Then let me scale this a little bit up so you can see what we are doing. Then come to the mask. I'm going to use this mask to blend these two images together. So before we start using the mask, let us understand that with the mask, we make use of the tool called the brush. With the brush tool, this. And once we have our brush, we should understand these three rules. So black hides, white reveals, and gray partially shows. So these are the three things we'll be working with. So with my brush 2B, make sure my mask is selected, what I want to blend with. So I'm blending this image with a background color here. So I select my mask, then I come to the image, then let me work on my brush. So you can increase your brush size, and you can achieve this by pressing Option or Alt if you are using PC. You have this and increase your size, or you can use the brackets to increase the size of the brush, as you can see. And for the flow, you can work on it here. So here you can choose to increase the flow to 100, or you can choose to decrease it. So I want to blend, I'll decrease the flow, and for the smoothing, it is 10 is okay for me. Now it is time for me to mask. So we say black hides. So I make sure black is selected. I want to hide. So as you can see, I'm hiding some of the pixels. I'm hiding it so it blends perfectly, as you can see. Alright, so I'll reduce the opacity here. Alright, I think this is okay. So with the mask, help of the mask, I'm able to blend this image well. Now, the mask can also be used in selecting of subject. So let's take this situation where I have a model here. Let me delete this one. Now I'm going to use the mask to select and hide some of the unwanted pixels here. So quickly, let me use the pick selection tool to select the subject of the model. So we wait for Photoshop to perform its magic. Boom. Now we have the selection around the subject. So we are going to use the mask to hide the unwanted pixels. So once we have this, you can see the selection around. Then we go to this side where we can locate the mask. Make sure the layer is selected. Then I come to the mask. Then I click on mask. Now we can see, let's look at this here. We say black hides, white reveals. So we can see we have black which is hiding the pixels that we don't want to see, and white, which is revealing the image that we want to see here. Now, if you want to bring some of the pixels, let's say in this situation, I want to bring some pixels here. What I'm going to do is make sure my mask is selected, then my brush is also selected. We say black hide. So let's say I want to hide this side, I paint with black. So as I paint with black, you can see I'm hiding it. Now if I want to reveal this portion, I'm going to change to white. Then as I paint that portion with white, you can see I'm revealing that portion. Okay. Now we can also use the mask when we are applying effects on images. So let's look at this last situation. So I have a model here, and I have this effect, this nice effect there. So I'm going to use the mask. This is the mask to apply effects on this model. So let's say in this situation, I just want this effect on the face of the model. So with the layer mask selected, we have ways to do this. I can just quickly invert the mask to black, because we say black hides and white reveal. Now the mask is white, meaning it is revealing. So let me invert it. Once I invert it, it is black. So everything is gone. I'm hiding everything. Now where I want the filter to appear, I'm going to use my brush. So white reveals, I paint portion where I want the filter to just appear. So as we can see, let me decrease it a little bit. As we can see, alright, so this is it. This is the after and this is the before. So as we can see in the mask here. Alright, in conclusion, Photoshop masking is a simple but powerful tool that gives you full control over your edit. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.